In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Stripe to FreshBooks. Connecting Stripe to FreshBooks lets your clients pay invoices online with ease, which means you get paid faster and with less back and forth. Let's walk through it together from inside your FreshBooks account. Start by heading to freshbooks.com and signing in to your account. If you manage payment settings for your business, make sure you're using an owner or admin level login so you can access the payment options. It also helps to allow pop-ups, since Stripe may open in a new window during setup. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and select Payments. This brings you to the area where you manage how you accept money. On this page, find the More Actions menu. Click that to reveal additional options, then choose Accept Online Payments. You're now in the right place to connect a provider. Next, click Connect with Stripe. FreshBooks will hand you off to Stripe's secure onboarding. This is where you can either connect an existing Stripe account or set up a new one at no cost. If you're new to Stripe, create your free account when prompted. Stripe will guide you through a brief setup to get your business ready to accept payments. As part of this process, you'll enter details like your business information and later the bank account where payouts will be deposited. This is standard compliance information to keep your payments secure and flowing to the right place. When asked, enter your email address and your password to continue. For security, use a strong, unique password and enable two-factor authentication in your Stripe account when available. After that, click Continue to proceed. If the email you entered is already tied to a Stripe account, Stripe will simply prompt you to sign in instead of creating a new one. You'll also see an option to sign in with Google. If your Stripe account uses Google Sign In, this can speed things up and reduce the number of passwords you manage. Once you've authenticated with Stripe, you'll be redirected back to FreshBooks. You should see Stripe listed as a connected payment method in your FreshBooks payment settings. From here on, when you send invoices from FreshBooks, your clients will be able to pay online through Stripe, making checkout fast and reliable. If you don't see the connection right away, try refreshing the page or confirming you're viewing the correct business profile. And that's it. Your FreshBooks account is now linked to Stripe and you're ready to accept online payments.